In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an HTML email using Gmail. This is a great skill to have if you want to make your emails more visually appealing and engaging. Let's dive into the steps and get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your Gmail account. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look for the Google Apps icon, which is usually in the upper right corner of the page. It resembles a small grid of dots or squares. Click on this icon to reveal a menu of various Google services. From there, locate and select the Chrome Web Store. This is where you'll find the tool that we need. In the Chrome Web Store, search for HTML Editor for Gmail by CloudHQ. Once you find it, click on it. You'll see an option to Add to Chrome. Click on this, and a small window will pop up asking you to confirm the addition of this extension. Go ahead and click Add Extension. Once the extension is added, it's a good idea to pin it to your toolbar for easy access in the future. With the extension in place, you might be prompted to create an account. Don't worry, this simply involves connecting it to your Gmail account, which is a straightforward process. Follow the on-screen instructions to link the HTML editor to your Gmail. Now, return to your Gmail inbox. Click on Compose to start a new email. In the new email window, locate the extension icon you just pinned to your toolbar and click on it. This action launches the HTML editor. Once the HTML editor window opens, search for the Source button. This lets you edit the underlying code of your email. Click on it, and you'll see the HTML code for your email. Since we're crafting our own custom HTML, clear out any existing code in this window. Go ahead and paste your prepared HTML code into the editor. It's important to ensure your HTML is correctly formatted, as small errors can affect how your email appears. Once you're happy with the way your HTML looks, click Close Editor. This action will take you back to the Gmail Compose window, now displaying your full HTML email exactly as your recipient will see it. To wrap things up, don't forget to add a subject line. You can also include any additional recipients and make final adjustments to your email content, like adding a personal note or a PS message. When everything looks good, hit Send. And just like that, your beautifully crafted HTML email is off to its recipient. Congratulations! You've now successfully sent an HTML email through Gmail. This is a fantastic way to enhance your email communication, and I hope this video has made the process clearer for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for other useful tips and tricks.